In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the spin animation in Google Slides, specifically focusing on how to stack animations for a more dynamic presentation. To get started, you first need to open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not automatically signed in, make sure you log into your Google account. Having access to your Google account will allow you to access previously saved presentations and create new ones if needed. Once you are at the Google Slides homepage, look for the option to start a new presentation. You'll want to click on Blank Presentation to open a fresh new slide deck. This fresh start is key for keeping your focus on learning the animation features without being distracted by existing slides. After your blank presentation is ready, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll spend a lot of time here as it contains the tools necessary for editing and adding animations. For now, we're particularly interested in the Insert option on this toolbar. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Animation. This is where the magic begins. Now, with the animations pane open on the right side of your screen, you're ready to apply some motion to your slides. Here you can select an object on the slide, be it text, an image, or a shape. Once an object is selected, the pane allows you to choose from several animations. The one we're particularly interested in today is the spin animation. Click on the object you want to animate and then from the animation options, select spin. You'll see some options for timing and triggers appear. You can set when to start the animation, such as on a click, immediately with the slide, or after a previous animation in a sequence. To add a stacking effect, you might want to incorporate multiple animations. You can do so by clicking Add Animation after you've added the initial spin. Feel free to experiment with different combinations to discover exciting effects, like combining a spin with a fade in, or finding a unique timing that creates the right impact for your content. Remember, animations are a tool to enhance your presentation, not overwhelm it. Use them sparingly and ensure they serve a purpose, highlighting key points or drawing attention exactly where you want it. Spend some time tweaking the settings and practicing with your new skills so you can deliver a polished presentation that captivates your audience. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize the spin animation in Google Slides. Play around, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Thank you for tuning in and happy animating. P.